everyone, and welcome again to Island Mama, where we love food and travel. Well, today, because the weekend is coming, we want to get rid of leftovers in our refrigerator, put it together and make a wholeheartedly meal. Let's do this. We are making a shepherd's pie. We have some leftover chicken patties. We had our fill of burgers this week, so let's get rid of that. We have some potatoes, some tomatoes, ginger, onion, celery, carrots, sweet pepper, and I found some corn. We are going to use our salt. I love hot sauce, a little bit of chicken bouillon, and whatever little fresh seasonings or dried herbs that you have. You can use it's for your flavor, but I'm just giving you ideas. And we have processed cheese. We don't normally use processed cheese, but sure, go right ahead, get rid of it. So first things first, let's get our potato cubed up. From experience, I've done it sliced, I've done it boiled whole, I've done it peeled and then just put in pieces and more. But the best one for me was when I cube it like this and I put it in the hot water. So therefore, it's super easy when it is finished boiling, and it's easy to see as well, and easy to strain and mash and put our butter to make mashed potato. So now that is going to boil, let's head on to cook our meat and veggies. So note to self, what I did today was 2 pounds of potato, which as you can see is boiling very nicely. And there were 4 patties that I sort of, cut it in little pieces to make the process of cooking easier today. So now as that is boiling, let us move forward to cook our meat. And we are putting in our ginger and onion first. We are just going to lightly brown it. So to this mixture, let's put in our celery. And we want to slightly cook it. The aroma in here is beautiful. You're smelling that sweet, savory onion. You're smelling a fresh crisp of that celery. And now we are going to put in our meat. Make sure now we want to fully well cook our meat. So we need to keep pressing it down so it will cook evenly throughout. And let's begin with our tomatoes. Simply because our tomatoes is full of water, so we know it's definitely going to strain some water while we're frying it sometime. However, you could gut it and take out the seed. So I did some of that already. Let's get our tomato, celery, sweet pepper, and carrots in. Such a beautiful array of colors. And you know what they say about colors? It's all good for you and me. We're going to add 1 cube of the chicken bouillon. This will just add some flavor. Plus we need to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And sometimes I would cover it so that it will help steam and cook the vegetables vegetables half the way through. Now that our vegetables are nearly cooked all the way, we want to add in our corn. This is corn from the can. It is very soft and it's already in a process where we can eat it. So it does not need cooking. While this is hot, I'm just going to take it off and I'm going to shift this away from the heat. And here we are. Our potato is boiled. As soon as our vegetables and meat was cooked, this was done. That's how fast it is. And let's do a test just to see if it is cooked. There we go. Nice and smooth. So my friends, the secret to a wholesome mashed potato instead of store-bought potato is butter and milk. Very simple. So we're putting 2 pounds of potato, 2 tablespoons of butter. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. We strained the water, but we left just a little so that it's going to be nice and easy to turn and to melt. See how easily it is mashing our potato. It's great. We're going to get a silky, buttery potato. That's what we're looking for. This is my bowl. I'm getting ready to layer everything. I'm going to just drizzle with oil. Spread it around a little bit. And I'll just put a slight bit of potato at the base. And then continue with our layers. Normally, shepherd pie does not have cheese in it, but cheese and potato goes so well. So again, we are improvising. And here it is. We are bringing in our meat. And let's layer him. We're bringing in our vegetables. And I just made half portions to spread it because of the size of my dish, that is. If my dish was bigger, well, definitely I would have not made half portion. And our cheese. I don't know who don't like cheese. In fact, I love cheese. I'm a cheese lover. That's what you call me. Cheese lover. Beautiful. There we go. That's enough. And then let's continue. Today I'm going to put some sesame oil. Just drizzle, I would say in all 1 tablespoon. And that is going to give us a different twist. Something you may like or you may not. If you do try it, please let me know in the comment how it turned out. Very tasty and fulfilling for that salty flavor that we so generously want at times. Voila! So this is what we want. We want to bake it. We want to put 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Put in our shepherd pie in the oven and let's leave it there. Keep looking at it 15 to 20 minutes.
And here's to the perfect meal that you can make only in 30 minutes. Creamy, savory, buttery, and full of meat. Let's go! Catch me in a couple days now. We're heading outdoors. See you!